far as the meeting between the Chief Minister of Telangana and members of the Tollywood are concerned, right here, it's a closed-door meeting between the Chief Minister and Film Federation. It's going to be seeing proposals, is what we're hearing. Between both sides, proposals from the government for Tollywood. The government wants to definitely involve film heroes and heroines in the campaign against drugs, aid in campaigns of being better, education and build integrated schools. Closed a meeting to see each party setting proposals there to each other for mutual agreements and discussions on a range of issues in which both can work together. So not just for easing the air and for breaking the ice after a series of incidents that has led to a fair amount of tension between the political dispensation in the state of Telangana and Tollywood, but also looking at deliverables here. Apurva getting in more details. So this is not just to clear the air and also but it also is to talk about the fact that both the government and the film industry can work together to achieve a handful of things that the government aims to. For example, the anti-drug campaign that the government has been looking at, isn't it? Apurva.
Well, that's right, Sneha. In fact, this looks like this meeting is going to be more of a scratch each other's back kind of a situation. The government, from the government side, going to put in a few proposals for the film industry there, and the film industry on their side going ahead with a couple of requests, be it for special concession or special shows to be arranged and whatnot. Remember earlier on in the assembly as well, Telangana Chief Minister Revant Reddy had said that there wouldn't be any kind of concession or special shows that will be provided for new films that are being released here in the state. And now we are seeing that this meeting looks like it's going to be an assortment of proposals which will be put in by both parties, be it from the Telangana government to the film fraternity and vice versa as well. Interestingly enough, this meeting sees top film industrialists who have joined in this meeting, led by, the chairman there, Dil Raju. We also see Allu Arjun's father, who's also present in that meeting as well. Several other directors, producers and actors who are also here in this meeting, which is underway. Remember, it's a closed-door meeting, but it looks like it's going to be an assortment of proposals which will be a mixed match between the government and these film fraternity people, because remember, both of them want each other's support to ensure that the love for film and cinema, which is well present in Telangana, is not to be hampered with, and that's the key goal here, be it for the film fraternity with their demands and to the Chief Minister and the Telangana government on their side, making in their requests and demands, saying this is what we need from you and this is what we are expecting in return for whatever you are putting on the table for us.
All right, I'm going to leave it at that. Apurva getting in those details as far as the controversy is concerned. So Apurva is saying that there's going to be some amount of quid pro quo with that meeting which is underway. During the meeting, the government will have certain expectations from the film industry, and the film industry will also be putting in their sets of demands.